Oh, we think we see a wolf print.
Mm-hmm. Gotta be. There can't be anything else.
Wait a minute, where is it? Right there. Cool.
Lake Richie, here we go.
Ooh, it's beautiful down there. Probably can't see much in the camera. Just starting to sprinkle. A few drops. So down the trail we go. Lake Richie tonight. That's where our campsite is tonight. Number 4. That's the path to the Chicken Bone Lake. That's where we came from. And here's our water access.
And Lake Richie. Part of it.
Little island there. We could canoe this next time. That's just a little tiny island, Lake Benson Island. Beyond it.
That's where you need to be, right there. Made Lake Richie.
Woohoo! I wonder if we're even in the picture.
I don't know.